Hi everyone, my name is Lizel Bugtong, a young fishers from a youth organization Batang Beach, a youth from the beach. Was organized by LAFCOD and supported by VISO. Our advocacy is more in coastal-based resource management, establishment of mangrove nursery, mangrove planting, nurturing, and growing. We have also a weekly coastal cleanup. In the plastic bottle we collect, we recycle it into a souvenir item. The support we needed is funds for our organization to have a livestock raising because we don't have areas for farming there. The key information I've got in YFC is do not be a destroyer of the environment, be its stewards. Words came from my young Fisher's Princess Raya Balyon, and that's all. Thank you for the opportunity to this camp. God bless us all.